So like Eli the computer guy, I'm gonna be at the end of the video now, and I'm gonna ask you, should Ken Heron go check out not Eli the computer guy, Elon Musk's, Jesus, I can't do this no more. So, should Ken Heron go to Elon Musk's new geofencing area and use his drones to delineate and show us how that works out? Should he follow some of those Tesla everything is computer vehicles to delineate the the amazing track that exists now thanks to Elon Musk in a shape we won't mention because this is a kid-friendly. You guys notice that I don't speak of I don't teach people how to do dangerous things. I don't talk about real problems of national security or anything like that, or even the really naughty topics, because this is a kid-friendly show. But maybe others that are in the business of doing that could let us know in the comments that we will never see. Let us know in the comments that we will never see. Anyway, I'm having a good time. This is a revolutionary product that I would be willing to, I would really be willing to work with any company, anywhere in the world. I would prefer if we could make it an America First thing, because we want to try to breathe back life into capitalism and make America capitalist again. I think maybe that should have been the slogan, because it hasn't been capitalist society for a while. It definitely has not been a free market for a while. Hey, I'm getting better at this. It's amazing what a few neurons can do, because I don't have many, just a few. A very, very, very few. And sometimes they collide and they notice each other. It's, they're living inside a black hole, inside whatever's left of my skull. So yeah, this is a pretty cool thing that I built because I'm creative. And imagine if Mattel, which I applied for, by the way, and Hasbro, which I applied for, by the way, and a bunch of other companies, which I applied for, by the way, in America, the land of the capitalism and the free and the brave, weren't such losers, and had actually decided to hire me. And then maybe we'd have some more fun stuff. I mean, I tried everything. I tried Hollywood. I tried engineering companies. I mean, I tried everything, literally. So when people go like, oh, you lazy bum, you scum of the earth, you homeless piece of crap, you junk dumper of you, it's not from the lack of trying that I have become what I have become. It's amazing the things that I have created and done throughout my many, many years now in America. And all I'm asking for is, after they've been stealing all of my ideas, big tech, and after I've been driving for so many years, and they've been destroying the car, right, with stop and go traffic, all I'm asking is for what I'm owed. They've stolen and they've stolen, right? This is what I talked about yesterday. I'm like Joey Tribbiani, right? Giving and receiving, except I've never received a gosh darn thing from the American dream. Not a gosh darn thing. Not healthcare, not a proper paycheck, nothing. And I have given so much in all the years that I've been here. And I've never gone to the dark side of stealing, breaking things, destroying society, trying to do all the nasty stuff. And again, I won't talk about certain things like the Epstein files, and I won't talk about other things going on, like the, I think it's called the democropicide that's going on. Democropicide. I think that's what we're going to call it, because you can't really call it a genocide. You can't really call it something else, but a democropicide sounds about right.